Well, good morning, and welcome to another outstanding, gorgeous morning. Yeah, trying to get it in the background, although I forgot, it's not in focus. But yeah, so we're still here at the Belly of the Dragon area. Just drove up the road behind that to the same camp we were last night. Today we are going to drive through Zion National Park. We have a couple stops today and then try to find a boondock, at least a couple of things marked to do. With us, you never know. A lot of times we find things that weren't on the agenda and we do those. All right, well, we'll see you guys on the road. We are driving out of our boondock spot here. I thought it was interesting. We mentioned yesterday that we set some traps because we knew we had a mouse in the cab here, and we got two yesterday. So we thought we would set it again just to be sure. We got two more. So, I don't know. Are we infestated with mice in the truck here, or are they just coming in at night?
After the peanut butter that we're setting out for them.
Yeah, I don't know. All right, just a little thing. Apparently, they can get in very small little holes, which I kind of knew, but, you know, I don't know.
They're not the little teeny tiny white mice. They're like field mice. They're like rats.
We are off probably to Zion. We may, who knows what we see on the way. Like I said, we're not stopping at Zion. It's not like we're going to Zion. We're just going through it because it's so spectacular. So it may be a long video. All right. All right. Well, I didn't put a mic on, but we are here in the town of Mt Carmel, which was really just not far from where we camped last night. And we saw this Thunderbird sign. It's really pretty cool. Thunderbird restaurant. But the best part was, you gotta love it, homemade pies. That's funny. Right, so if I didn't mention, this is Mt Carmel or Mt Carmel Junction, I can't remember. But cool old motel way there. 89 and 9. That's 89 and 9 motel. That's right, because this is 89 going the way that car's going, and 9 turning off here to go to Zion. And then they have this trading post. It's kind of cool. I mean, tons of stuff inside, but I looked at prices and it seems higher than what you'd get other places, which probably is not all that surprising. And they even have a golf course. All right, get back on the road. You know, the landscape here is just so awesome. We're just coming out of Mt Carmel. Really interesting, though, I thought I'd mention it, is this is Route 9, and there is a way around Zion to where we're going. Interesting, though, they want to charge $35 any car that drives this road and wants to get to the other side through Zion. So just a warning about that. Fortunately, you know, we have our pass, but, you know, national parks is supposed to be for everyone. I don't know how many families could afford to spend $35 to go into every park.
Or just to drive through.
Or just to drive
way or something.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know. All right, well, we are in Zion. We just paid. And we are driving right towards Checkerboard Mesa.
Well, we didn't actually pay because we have a senior pass.
Wow. That is just amazing. Checkerboard Mesa. See, I told you. I called it checkerboard. She said it looked like elephant skin. I don't know if you can walk through it. Maybe you can.
No, it said the Canyon Overlook Trail head is down here, so people are coming down here to get to the trailhead.
Now I have no idea if we'll be able to see anything in here. There's a canyon overlook there.
Wow, this is like but it gets like really narrow at the bottom.
Yeah.
You can't see down. It's like 5 feet wide crevice, so you can't see down to like the river or whatever is down there.
I don't know what you guys can see. I can see we're really fairly bright, but that's probably because we have the iPad screen on. All right, we have come out into the open here. Well, we've made a little diversion stop here. It wasn't where we were headed, but we saw a sign that looked kind of interesting, and it is. So let's take a look. The Leeds Historic CCC Camp. I thought it was really interesting here that the men were paid $30 a month. They had to have 8th grade education, 3 to 4 family members, dependent on a paycheck, and 25 was sent home. 1933. So yeah, we've got a cabin over here now. There's no plaque on it, and I assume it'll probably not be open, but you never know, right? Oh, it is open. Carol, this one's open. All right, well, it doesn't say what this room was or what this cabin was, but ooh, this is really weird. Yeah, it looks like concrete. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just dirt. Very spongy feeling in here. Stand over here to see if it's spongy to you, Carol. Seems spongy. Okay. Maybe it's just my shoes. No, I'm spongy. All right, well, we'll walk over there and then up the hill. Looks like maybe they built a fountain here as well. Interesting. And then we're going to be going up there as well. Just a Utah Historic Site sign. Dispensary. Supplies and paychecks. Boy, all these buildings are open. That's pretty cool. Okay. So, just another empty building. It must be concrete. It must just be my shoes that feel spongy because I don't usually just stand on them in a place. Yeah, not much to see, huh? Still kind of cool. Yep, going outside again. I don't know if this is someone's private property over here. There's chickens down in there, but they said the barracks and the showers were over in that area, and there is a big, well, that looks like cinder block wall. Yeah, more over here apparently. Yeah, let's see here. This says it's the blacksmith shop. I wonder if there's anything in there. It's got an interesting door. Not open?
No, but you can. It's kind of got storage doors and stuff.
Nothing in it, though, you said?
Just storage.
But over here, Carol saw this tree. I believe is that a cottonwood?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Look at this thing.
Be interesting on the other side, and there's more steps up.
Yeah. Wow. This is awesome. What a great tree. Man, this bark. Go around the other side here. I shouldn't have stopped recording here because this side's pretty cool too. It looks like actually, I mean, it's cool here. I'm surprised this tree's alive. But it looks like if we can go around this side here, probably get bit by a copperhead or something. Okay. Wow. Wow.
Here?
This is like totally awesome. Man. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Looks like it could have been burnt. Look up here. Looks like, yeah, probably got partially burnt. Man, it's awesome. Totally awesome. Yeah, back to the blacksmith here. Got double doors on this side. So yeah, so they built all kinds of bridges and roads and everything all the way up to Salt Lake City from here. And don't ask me, because right offhand I don't know how far Salt Lake is, but I'll put it down below if I remember. All right. Well, we're going to head up the steps here now. Maybe Trigger will pull me up. I always tell him not to pull. And obviously, I-15 is right behind us. Whew. Man, we could have driven up here. All right. Looking down there, we think that might have been the barracks and shower area built by the CCC. However, it's not rock, so we don't know for sure. Okay, so apparently here we are coming to the officers' headquarters. I'm sure it'll be empty as well, but... Okay, let's see if we can go in. Apparently cannot go in. Well, let's see. Yeah. You can't see, it won't focus except on the dirty glass here. But it's just empty. Bummer though. Walk all the way up here. Okay, so I'm just going around the headquarters. It's interesting. I don't know if they had a garden up here. A little terraced. And actually, you can see down here, I'm guessing that possibly at one time there was something down here as well. Got the stones and a pit. Looks like, yeah, I can see a foundation over here, or a wall anyway. But I was looking at, you can only see one of the mounds from here, but they have like rock boulders up on top, and the one behind it is more like a outcrop. Let's go around the other side and I'll use the other lens. Okay, yeah, and those two mounds just look kind of cool. The little cap rock, or especially the one on the left, has more of a distinctive formation. The other one almost looks like someone just put a couple boulders up on top. But anyway, just kind of cool. Then we'll pan around here. Get over here, we can see the snow. And to the sounds of I-15 rumbling below. All right. All right, well, that'll do it for the historic CCC, Civil Conservation Corps site here in Leeds, Utah. It's pretty cool. Not a whole lot, but yeah, nice stop. At least something. We got to see something today. I guess we saw Zion. Did a few things, I guess. Stopped in a few places, but anyway. We're going to head now to what was the destination we were headed to when we saw this. So we'll see you there. All right.